BRC-20 is currently trending in the crypto space, leaving others who need help understanding what BRC-20 is all about. But in this video, we'll help you understand what BRC-20 is all about as a beginner. The best way to understand BRC-20 is to see it as ERC-20. ERC-20 is built on Ethereum blockchain, while BRC-20 is built on Bitcoin blockchain. Are you still confused? Let's dive deep. But before that, if you are enjoying this video, now would be a good time for you to go ahead and subscribe and also like to help others understand BRC-20. What's BRC-20? BRC-20 is an experimental token standard for fungible token created using Bitcoin blockchain that lets users inscribe Satoshi. Satoshi is the smallest unit of Bitcoin. This inscription is managed by Ordinal protocol. It assigns a unique number to each Satoshi. Here's an example of Satoshi. The BRC-20 token standard was created in March 2023 by Domo, an on-chain analyst. Its aim was to make it possible for fungible tokens to be transferred and issued on the Bitcoin blockchain. The most significant difference is that BRC-20 does not use smart contracts. As a result, it provides less functionality. On the other hand, ERC-20 token can interact with other dApps and protocols, for example in DeFi with lending and borrowing. Ethereum wallet is required for ERC-20 tokens, while BRC-20 requires a Bitcoin wallet. With the ordinal technique, you can turn a fungible token into an NFT, or in other words, a non-fungible token. The launch of BRC-20 tokens has caused the transaction fee of Bitcoin to skyrocket. ERC-20 are designed specifically for Bitcoin blockchain and cannot be used directly on Ethereum or other blockchain. However, it is possible to create bridges or cross-chain solutions that enable the transfer of value between different blockchains. Trade BRC-20 token. You need a Bitcoin wallet compatible with BRC-20 standard. For example, MetaMask and Ledger support these tokens, and Trust wallets currently do not support BRC-20 yet. Currently, BRC-20 use cases are still limited. BRC-20 can be integrated into DeFi ecosystem on Bitcoin. P2P trading platform will maintain the transaction fee in Bitcoin, which is currently on the rise. And lastly, tokenization. With the token standard, you can tokenize real world assets. BRC-20 token standard is still relatively new and its future outlook is uncertain. The recent rapid growth in market capitalization and transaction volume indicates a strong interest in BRC-20 tokens, particularly in the meme coin sector. The top 5 meme coins on the BRC-20 include Audi, Pepe, VMPX, Meme, and Pizza. What's your take on BRC-20? Leave a comment below.